Okay, so we had this question here where we've got this equation, log a plus log a squared plus log of a cubed plus all the way up to log of a to the 50 equals k log a. And what we have to do is figure out what k is. Okay, so the first thing you look at is what's the answer going to be? Something like k equals something. And it's going to be some kind of number, right? That's going to be our guess. Okay, so how do we do this? So again, if you look at a formula sheet here, there's a formula that says that if you've got any sort of, let's do it this way. So m to the k is the same. You can bring the k outside. So k log m. Okay, in this case we don't really care what this little base is, so we can ignore that. But basically the formula says that the log of m to the power of k is the same as k times the log of that. So we'll just apply it here. So now we've got log of a. Now this is a to the 1, so it's 1 log a. This one is log of a squared, so it's 2 log a. This one's log of a cubed, so it's 3 log a. And so on, all the way up to 50 log a. Okay, and then all we've got to do is add up those numbers. So what we've got is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on, up to, what have we got, 48 plus 49 plus 50. 50 log a. Okay, so how do we add up these numbers? No calculator allowed, but I can see that that 1 and that 50 is going to give me a 51. The 2 and the 49 is going to give me another 51. The 3 and the 48 is going to give me another 51, and all the way through. So how many 51s am I going to get? Well, there's going to be 25 of them. All right, so we're going to end up with 25 lots of 51. Okay, so how do we calculate that? Oh, times log a. So how do we calculate that? Well, we've got 51 times 25. Well, I can figure out that 51 times 100 equals 5100. That must mean 51 times 50 is half of that, which is what, 2550. And therefore 51 times 25 is half of that, which is 1275. Okay, so the answer is 1275 log a, which means, remember what we want to do is find out k equals 1275.